How to connect to a Wi-Fi without password. So if you want to connect to any Wi-Fi without password, then firstly you need to go to the Wi-Fi section. For that you need to tap and hold the Wi-Fi, and here you can see the box has appeared. Simply tap on more option, which is at the bottom of this box, and once you get access to this section, you can easily find out at the top the scan icon. But if you don't find in this way, because different mobile or devices have different systems available, so you can, if you don't find and in that way, you can scroll down, and next to add network you can also find that um, scan saved icon. So for now, let's tap on that scan icon at the top of the screen, and here you can easily scan a QR code to connect to a Wi-Fi. If you have any QR code of Wi-Fi, then you can simply scan it and easily connect to a Wi-Fi without the passport necessary. Here you can see I have got a QR code. Let's scan it and it will be connected like this. So I hope you found this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.